Sometimes we receive an Excel file containing macro that cannot be executed, accompanied by an error message saying cannot run the macro blah blah blah. The macro may not be available in this workbook, or all macros may be disabled. Also, on the top of the bar, we receive a message. Microsoft has blocked macro from running because the source of this is untrusted. How can we overcome this? Let's watch the video. To resolve this, we need to locate the file, then right click on the Excel file and select properties. Then in the security tab, uh, checklist the unblock. Okay, then click OK. After that, reopen the Excel file. Now the macro should be able to run. Okay. Hopefully this tutorial can help all of you. See you next time.